In a test, the average class score was 77 marks. Mr. Lim discovered that he had recorded 14 students' marks wrongly. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of students. After adding 3 marks to each of these students, the average class score then became 79. How many students were there in the class? Now, to do this question, it is helpful if you come up with boxes for each student. So, this is student 1, student 2, and so on. This was their original average marks. 77, so many students, right? We are not sure how many students are there. Okay? Now, what happened was that there are 14 of these students that had wrongly recorded marks. So what he did was he added 3 marks to each of these 14 students, which means the total marks that he had added, right, will be 14 times 3. That will be 42 total marks added. Now, because he added 42 marks, right, the average of each and every one of these students increased to 79. This guy also went up to 79. And so on. Everyone's marks now became 79. 79. The last student also 79 marks. Draw that again. Okay? All of the students went up by how many marks each? 79 minus 77. Each of them increased by 2 marks each. So everyone got +2, +2, +2, and so on. Why? Because he added a total of 42 more marks. Now, think about it. If you are adding a total of 42 more marks, how many of these 2's can you add? How many of these 2's can you add? It will be 42 divided by 2, right? You can do it 21 times. Once, twice, thrice, 4 times until a 21st student. Okay, so this is essentially a 3-step problem whereby you find out what is the total that you're adding, find out the difference in average, and take the difference in total, divide by the difference in average to find the number of students. Answer for this question, 21 students.